Make sentences using the word grow from class 1 to 5. Grow means increase in size. Plants grow in the soil. Grow means increase in size. Plant grow in the soil means plant becomes bigger in soil. I will grow tall. I will grow tall means I will become taller. That is, here grow means increase in height. I will grow tall, increase in height. Flowers grow in the garden. That means flowers become bigger in the garden. Here grow means increase in size. Flowers grow in the garden. Here flower is plural. That is why we have taken plural verb, and plural verb can be formed without using s or es. If you add s or es, then the verb will be singular. My puppy is growing fast means my puppy is becoming bigger quickly. Here, grow means increase in size. Trees grow big and strong means tree becomes large and strong. The baby will grow soon means the baby will become bigger and older. Increase in size. We grow when we eat healthy food means our body becomes bigger with healthy food. Here, grow means increase in size. My hair grows every day means hair becomes longer every day. Increase in length. Here, grow means increase in length. The sun helps plants grow means the sun helps plants become bigger. Water helps grass grow. After the verb help, we can use bare in infinitive, that is verb without to. Water helps grass grow means increase in size. Water makes grass become taller and greener. For class 2, growth in living things, people, plants, and animals. A small seed grows into a big tree means a tiny seed becomes a tall tree. Here, grow means increase in size. Fish grow in water means fish become bigger while living in water. Farmers grow rice in the fields means farmers plant and take care of rice plants. Here, grow means cultivate. Cultivate means produce, right? Farmer produce rice in the fields. Cultivate or produce. Farmer plants and take care of the rice plants. My little brother is growing taller. Means my brother is getting taller. Increase the height. If you take care of the plant, it will grow well. Means a plant becomes healthy and bigger with care. Cows grow strong by eating grass. Means cows become stronger by eating healthy food. Increase in strength. Here grow means increase in strength. The baby grows, the baby bird grows feathers. Here we have added s because subject is singular, so we need singular verb. That is why we use s or es depending on the subject. The baby bird grows feathers. Here, grow means develop. A baby bird start getting feathers as it matures. Good food helps us grow fast. Means healthy food helps our body grow quickly. Increase in size. Here, grow means increase in size. The kitten will grow into a cat. Here, grow means mature. A small kitten will become a full grown cat. The sunflower grows towards the sun. Here, grow means sends in direction. The sunflower moves and becomes taller towards the sun. Sunflower grows toward the sun. Means the sunflower moves and becomes taller toward the sun. Here, grow means sends in direction. For class 3, meaning like increase, expand, extends. Trees grow taller every year, increase in size. Tree becomes bigger every year. We grow wiser as we learn new things. Means we become smarter when we learn. Yeah, grow means develop. We grow wiser. That is develop knowledge, right? Cities grow when more people live in them. Here, grow means expand. Cities become larger when the population increases. The balloon grows bigger when we blow air into it, means increase in size. The balloon expands as we add air. A small company can grow into a big business, means a small business can become a large company. Here, grow means expand. Ice cream melts if it gets warm, but plants grow in warm weather. Means plant become bigger in warmth. Here, grow means increase in size. I want to grow my collection of stamps. Here, grow means increase in number. That's I want to add more stamps to my collection. The river grows wider during the rainy season. Means the river expands when there is more water. Here, grow means increase in size. If you practice daily, your skill will grow. That is, your abilities will get better with practice. Here, grow means improve. The moon doesn't grow, but it looks bigger in the sky sometimes. Means moon seems to get bigger but does not actually grow. Here, grow means appear larger. The moon doesn't grow, but it looks bigger in the sky sometimes. That is, here, grow means appear larger. For class 4, meaning like become, improve, gain, mature. We grow older every year, means we become older as time passes. Here, grow means aging. The baby smile grew wider. That is, baby smile become bigger. Here, grew, the past tense of grow is grew. So here, grow means change in expression. The baby smile grew wider. His confidence grows when he speaks well, meaning he becomes more confident when he talks well. Increase in confidence. His confidence grows when he speaks well. His confidence grows when he speaks well. We should grow our knowledge by reading books. We should grow our knowledge by reading books. We should grow our knowledge by reading books. That is, we should learn more by reading books. Here, grow means develop knowledge. Kindness grows when we help others. That is, kindness becomes stronger when we help people. Here, grow means increase in quality. Kindness grows when we help others. The noise grew louder as more people arrived. Here, grow means increase in intensity. These clouds grew darker before the storm. Here, grow means change in appearance. The clouds become darker before it rained. I want to grow into a responsible person. Here, grow means mature. The love between friends grows stronger over time. Here, grow means increase in emotion. If you exercise, your muscles will grow. Here, grow means physical development. For class 5, meaning like business, economy, career, emotion. Meaning related to business, economy, career, emotions. The economy grows when businesses do well. Here, grow means expand. The economy becomes bigger and stronger. A small idea can grow into a great invention, meaning a small thought can turn into something big. A small idea can grow into a great invention. A small idea can grow into a great invention. This company wants to grow its profits. That is, increase earnings. If you work hard, our dreams will grow into reality, meaning uh, dreams become our dreams will become real with hard work. Here, grow means achievement. If we work hard, our dreams will grow into reality. Fear grows when we think negative thoughts. That is, fear becomes stronger when we worry. Here, grow means increase in feeling. The country's population is growing quickly. That is, more people are. His patience grows thin when people are rude. Here, growth means lose patience. He becomes impatient when people behave badly. His patience grows thin when people are rude. She wants to grow her career in technology. Here, grow means advance in career. She wants to get better jobs in technology. She wants to grow her career in technology. The plant's root grow deep into the ground, meaning the plant's roots go deeper into the soil. Here, grow means expand. The plant's roots expand deep into the ground. We grow as individuals by learning from our mistakes. That is, we become better people when we learn from our errors. Here, grow means self improvement. Summary of different meanings of grow: increase in size, like plants, animals, people grow, people grow bigger or taller. Plants, animals, and people grow bigger and taller. Develop skills, knowledge, and confidence grow with time and effort. Expand business, cities, collections, and population grow larger. Change emotions, weather, and expressions grow stronger with different, with stronger or different. Improve careers, economics, and individuals grow when they progress. Here is a technique to remember the different meanings of grow. Okay, grow. Grow word has the letter Z. Z means get bigger, increase, increase in size. Plants, animal, people, balloons, river. Then it has the letter R. R means rise in knowledge, develop, that is skills, learning, wisdom, confidence. O, Grow has the letter O. O means open up, that is expand, like cities, businesses, collections, economy, population. Then it has W, means work and change. Transform or transform or improve. Emotions, patience, career, friendships, muscles. By remembering grow, like get bigger, rise in knowledge, O means open up, and W means work and chance. You can easily recall different meanings of grow.